Hello guys, today I show you how to convert a simple image into a creative image. Let's get started. First, import your images in CorelDRAW. Double tap on Rectangles tools for Fit Frame on page. Place image in the center of page and select Crop tool for crop the image and crop it. Select Cursor tools for selection and resize the image according to your choice. Take Color Eyedropper tools and select Reference Color from Skin Tone in the image Fill in Background Rectangle, and take Interactive Fill tools and select Fountain Fill option, and select Elliptical Fountain Fill option, and take Color Eyedropper tools and select Color from Background. Decrease Color Properties from Color Slider bars. Decrease Color Range for Bright Color. Put Sunglasses image backside of model, and some adjust the images according to your schwas, and resize and shift little bit. Take text tools and write your quotations, headline, tagline, and mommy more text. Take a attractive font and increase text size and little bit rotate the text and increase little bit size. And take Color Eyedropper tools for text color. Choose darker color from the model image and fill in the text. Type any other text in same font, but size will be decrease, look like tagline. And now type some other text and adjust decrease font size and use two color rule. Subject color different and other text color will be different. Subject size some bigger compression to an other text. Alignment will be center. Use some other font. We put the text left side of model and little bit rotate all text. It's look premium. Now type some other text, like discount, offer or price, etc. We used product price tag. Use same font of before text and break text. Select rate text and add symbol of rupees. Decrease upper text. Take rectangle tools and create a rectangle box around the upper text. Not take shape tools and press and hold Control key. And now select and drag bottom left corner and top right corner for round corner. Put outline with value 0.7 pt. Now, take Color Eyedropper tools and take a brighter color sample from model cloth and fill in the rectangle box and fill same color in rectangle box outline. Duplicate the rectangle box and increase the size. Fill white color in lower rectangle box and select price text and press Ctrl plus Home key for text front of the page and align the text under the box. Now select other text. Take Pick tools and drag. Now text is selected. Press Ctrl plus Home key to front of page. Change the text color to black and align center of the box. Now select completely price tag and shift to left side and bottom side. Now your image is ready. Thanks for watching.